Well, we just got totally scammed. Hi friends, today we're on our way to Agra, which is a city southeast of Delhi that has the Taj Mahal.
And we're getting there by taking a train. It is our first time using the railway here in India.
There's a lot of people. This is really overwhelming.
Okay, can't lock the door. We're really excited, a bit nervous, because it's gonna be hectic and kind of confusing, but we're gonna do it.
Here we go.
I'm glad we're here early. Yeah. Although it seems like all the trains are running late.
Yeah.
Oh, they're turning off the lights. And we're just not sure what to do.
Yeah, there are a lot of sleepers in this terminal.
Yeah, there's a lot of people sleeping here in this terminal today. Apparently, on trains in India, they have security, which is actually nice. So we're gonna put our bags in, make sure they're secure.
That wasn't really so bad.
No?
I don't know if they were really looking at anything in the bags. People were just walking through. Like, the guy was probably just playing a computer game behind there, but...
Seems like more of a formality.
Exactly. At least people, I don't know, do it.
Yeah.
For peace of mind, maybe a little bit. Thanks for carrying the bag, love.
You're welcome.
4.
Whew.
We made it to our platform.
We made it to the platform.
That's so loud.
There's a lot of people. This is really overwhelming. Our train just pulled up and we're gonna look for a car. We're car 16 and we're really confused which way to go because I don't think there's really any rhyme or reason to these car numbers. So.
Well, there probably is. We're just like silly tourist foreigners that have no idea what's going on.
True.
Oh, C6. Okay, thank you. Apparently it was 6, not 16. Classic travel mistake. Oh, the trains look nice, guys. Look at that. Wait, is this it? Here, guys, the doors are open. Let's go.
We gotta go. We're running late. They're playing music. We gotta go.
All right, we made it.
We made it.
Alrighty, we made it. The seats are pretty comfortable. Everything's in green. There's a lot of overhead space. Looks like there's no plug-ins. Doubt there's Wi-Fi. We have cup holders, little back thing. Should be a nice, smooth train ride. I think it's going to be about 3 hours, maybe 2.
It's only an hour and 40 left.
It's only an hour 40.
Yeah.
Nice. I was expecting a 3-hour train ride today.
No?
Score. Total for all 4 of us, this cost 2,800 rupees, which is like $7 a person.
That's such a good deal.
For an hour-and-a-half train ride, that's not bad. So this isn't first class, this is second class, and it does come with AC. I doubt we'll need it though, because it is, I mean, it's winter here.
Oh, I didn't see it there. I was reading my complimentary newspaper that I got. In English.
All right, time for a little bathroom tour. So you step in, they're in between both trains cars. Let's do this. Ooh, it kind of stinks in here. Eureka usually does these, but she's not feeling super hot, so I'm gonna do this today. All right. For starters, not quite sure how to lock the door. Oh, like that. Like that. Okay, can't lock the door. Here's the toilet. It's like metal. That looks like the flusher. Whole ground's pretty covered in urine. Quite a bit of pipes there. Sink ain't too bad. Mirror's pretty classy. Not the best bathroom I've ever had, but also not the worst bathroom I've ever had. The water runs great, and there's fresh soap. Not bad. One problem though, I'm realizing there's no towels, so here, I'll just like dry off. You do what you gotta do.
Automatic smoke detection system.
Yeah, all four of us. We just hit 90. Are we gonna hit 95? It's so fun to see the Indian countryside. There are all these trees sporadically placed throughout these huge green fields. And there's like fog covering the ground. Not sure if it's pollution or fog, but I'm gonna go with fog. And it's just gorgeous. We're flying by. This is just a great ride.
Hi, so we're getting to Agra. We only have 5 minutes to get off the train, so we should get our bags together.
This door is so heavy.
Such an easy ride. We're so excited to be here. Let's go.
Agra, home of the Taj Mahal, baby. Hello. Hi.
To get to the hotel, we're taking Ola, which is a rideshare app that they use here in India, along with Uber.
Yeah, it's like just an alternative. Seems like it has like very, very similar prices. I haven't really noticed a big difference, but Ola does, like, your Ola request does get accepted more. Uber's like sometimes you have to request and request and request and request. Ola, you get it on the first try. So far. So we'll see if this time it works too.
Here we go. Wow. As always, we're getting hounded by all the taxi drivers everywhere. Classic.
Oh, main road. You want the main road? Okay, we'll come out to the main road. Thank you. Oh, on Ola it says a different number. 77265. He says the Uber driver says we should go to a different cab number than what says on Ola.
Yeah, definitely not.
All right, no, bye bye. No, thank you. Can you cancel?
We just got hounded by a ton of taxi drivers and people asking us for money and people saying that rideshare didn't work. And then Wyatt called in Ola and they asked us to take a different car than the one that was registered, which was super weird, so we didn't take it. It's seeming like getting to the hotel might be a little harder than we bargained for.
All right, we found a new Ola driver is coming. This one actually has the license plate. I think this is legit. Found him, he's right here.
All right, let's get in.
We're here. Oh, thank you so much. Cool. Orchid Retreat. Let's check in.
The resident cows walking by.
Look at him. Right outside the hotel. Cow. With attitude.
We were going to get some lunch and they actually invited us to do a mini cooking lesson to cook our own food.
I know, so we're gonna go get an Indian cooking lesson.
Yay!
So many spices.
Okay.
He's having to fix yours a little bit.
Yeah, mine wasn't perfect. This is so unexpected and fun. I can't wait to learn this and then get to take it home and try it on my own. Whoa. It browns it up a little bit. a really enjoyable time. And it's all included in the hotel, which is just such a cool thing.
This was like the best hotel ever.
Yeah. It was one of the best hotel experiences we've ever had. It was only $24 a night. Definitely recommend Orchid Retreat in Agra. All right, our lunch is done and we learned a few things. I'm excited. Let's eat. All right, so we made a variety of different delicious curries. We also have some chapati and 2 different types of paratha. That's a butter paratha and a lakka paratha. It's gonna be so good. Let's dig in. Which one should I try first? I really want to try the malai kofta. I'm really excited about it, so I think that's the one I'm going to try first. I'm going to get the sauce first and then cut a piece. That is really good. The spices complement the dish so well. It's a little bit spicy and a tiny, tiny bit sweet. And the potato adds a really good texture to it. So creamy. Like everything about it is creamy. I love it. Maybe one of my favorite dishes I've had so far.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, that's awesome.
All right, we're taking a tuk-tuk, getting the true local transportation experience. 100 rupees for all 4 of us.
Honestly, tuk-tuks kind of freak us out, but we figured, why not? They say the locals travel in tuk-tuk, so we're traveling like the locals do.
Maharaja, good shopping. Only looking, only no problem. Okay, after date, after come back, Bijli Gar, okay? No problem.
No, it's okay. No, it's okay. Bijli Gar.
Yes.
Bijli Gar.
But thank you for the offer.
No problem.
He's a persistent one, isn't he?
Can you take us to where we originally agreed? I can tell on the GPS that you're changing direction and we need to go the other way.
No problem.
So you need to turn left here. You need to turn left. Pull over, I want out. Pull over, I'm done. Pull over.
Well, we just got totally scammed by our tuk-tuk driver, and then we gave him like $50 because it was
50 rupees.
Yeah, oh sorry. Then we just gave him like 50 rupees and left. I mean, we've heard it happens. I've heard it happens with taxis, so I'm not honestly surprised.
Yeah.
We're
The
gonna-
issue is like, you just don't know where they're taking you, and then they might charge a lot. And he was like originally trying to take us to a different market, which we didn't even ask for, but
Who he probably was commissioned for.
classic.
But anyways, take Ola or Uber. You understand why
Yeah,
now.
they're like rideshare apps that are legit and everyone's vetted. Thank you, sir.
We just made it to the Kinari Bazaar, and it is probably the most vibrant and colorful market that I have ever been to.
It's crazy. There are a ton of saris being sold, a ton of women wearing traditional wear. It is just amazing. In the background, we have the Shahi Jama Masjid, which is just a beautiful mosque right next to the market. It's just sick. It's interesting. I kind of only thought Agra had the Taj Mahal, but I'm noticing that it has a lot of big markets, a lot of big, cool buildings, and a lot of people. It is as packed as Delhi. Earlier we thought it'd be smaller, but I think it was just because it was early in the morning.
We should go this way, guys. This is probably the most packed a market's ever been for us.
Get back out.
We made it.
Are they sewing back there or like folding?
It was just the call to prayer, so we're gonna go check out the mosque, Shahi Jama Masjid. And fun fact, masjid means mosque in Hindi. Hello. Shoes, yes?
This is the first mosque courtyard I've ever entered, and this has to be just absolutely gorgeous. Like, it's amazing that it's surrounded by the market, because once you enter it, all the sounds just kind of disappear, even though it's surrounded by that much chaos that you guys saw. Wow.
It's so peaceful.
So many doves.
All right, guys, Brandi needs to get a scarf for our adventures tomorrow, and then we're gonna head back to the hotel. Wow, so pretty.
We're ready to go for tomorrow.
Taj Mahal, here we come.
All right, let's get out of here and go home.
All right, friends, thanks for coming with us.
Peace out, guys.